Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and today we're looking at HDMI capture cards. As you know on this channel, I always go through the best of the best, look at all the products from the best to the worst, rank the best, and then tell you so you don't have to do the research yourself, whether you're looking at cameras, laptops, high definition TVs. I do all the research and tell you which is the best, which gets my A+ rating. And today we're looking at HDMI capture card. Some of my requirements were 60 frames per second, 1080, and I want no lag between the devices. I want everything to work simultaneously. And you know that I do a lot of this. It's what I do for a living. I have some over 30 YouTube channels. I got Facebook channels. I got Instagram, instagram.com/911reviews. We've got hundreds of thousands of subscribers throughout YouTube, actually millions when you include all of my channels. And I need to make sure that my stuff is crisp and looks good. So I'm going to show you the HDMI card that is the absolute best of the best. So let's kick it off right about now. So the brand that I like most, the brand that is set up right behind me, connecting this camera, this laptop, and this HDTV right here. It is FSK Digital. It's fast, secure, and the print is small, but I believe it says reliable, fast, secure, and reliable. HDMI VC2 4K HDMI capture card, capture your live stream. So if you're a gamer, you're somebody who does a lot of media, you want to be recording stuff, if you're a photographer, if you're doing anything in the media industry, you need a good HDMI capture card. And this is the best of the best. It captures in full HD with no lag, 60 frames per second, 1080p. This is super duper high D, 4K ultra high D technical term. So this package includes 4 HDMI capture card, 4K HDMI capture card, you get one of those, micro HDMI to HDMI cable, USB-C female, USB-C to USB-A, and user manual. So USB-C female, USB 3.1 generation 1, 5 gigabytes per second. So they include the fast cabling and everything you need to be able to set something like this up. I'll put all the details in the description below so you make sure you have all the right cards and cables and things associated with it. But this is the absolute best of the best. It gets my A+ rating from 911 Studios. And yeah, if you're looking for a great capture card, you're looking for the best in the industry, if you came to YouTube and you clicked what is the best HDMI capture card on the market,